Hey there, how was doing? This is Kali from Tech Fanciers. And you might hear of that the phone which has the solid advertisement competition and created tough scenario to the phone which has price range around 10k to 16k in Indian market. This phone roll over the smartphone industries to the next level. Yes, I know I'm creating some unwanted build-ups, but without no reasons. Well, here is the thing. Redmi Note 7 Pro, space black color art, choose good ones. Well, first of all, I have to make a note that this Note 7 is not a review unit and not this video is sponsored by Xiaomi and all. This is Indian retail consumer unit. And you guys would have seen this phone's review, depth look, performance test, water test, heat test, bend test, camera test and sugar test. Whatever test there is in the world, there will be a Note 7 video on it. And this is not the video to explain or show the spec sheet of this phone. That thing is not gonna happen here. For this price range, this phone is the best right now. கதவை சாத்துங்கடா, சவுண்ட் கேக்குதுடா ரொம்ப. And also I'm not going to gym to have the bulky muscle to bend the phone, but yeah, that's one of the quality of the tech YouTuber, but I don't have that. I'm weak. I'm not the guy who broke the phone without no reason, because this is my money. I'm not going to destroy something that's good money. Well, let's we talk and take a look as a average normal consumer. Build looks good and premium. Camera is really good and the performance of the device is way more better and on the flow of usage. At the first boot, the phone has more than 1.5 GB of free space of RAM, so it will be like useful for long run of usage. And some of my friend circle mentioned that this phone has some issues with the display, but as I noticed that this phone's display is really clear and the clarity is really good and the viewing angle is really perfect in my opinion. Review hence here. Let's we think like this way. Well, whenever we talk about this cheap phone with high specification, we always think that how this Xiaomi making this possible, like with this price range, how they are giving this much specification. Well, the first thing is country and the population, and the second thing is the technology that they use. Third thing is environment. When I say about environment, I mean this work culture and the specification that they give. The thing that I don't like in this phone is the bloatware. When I started my device first time, this not my device, sir. When I start the device first time, it shows the share chat application in the screen. I was like, why this is happening? Well, the thing is, this kind of applications really cut out the price range of the device. Well, the brand makes some profit with this kind of application. Also, this will help us both the brand side as well as in the consumer side. So as per the note, this MIUI having lot of ads and everything, but this can be avoidable. And if you don't like the share chat application in this phone, you can uninstall it. That's not an issue with this, but this will cut out the price range of the device. This kind of application makes thousands or millions of money. That will help to reduce this phone's price range in India. If you don't like, you can uninstall. I know in some point of cases we can't uninstall some application which are showing ads in MIUI. In that kind of cases, we can go with custom ROMs. Well, as per the Google Note, the phones which are coming Android 8.0 or latest version than that, will eligible to install the triple ROMs. Also, this phone definitely gonna hit high number of sale, so there should be a good opportunity to get the long-term updates for both the Xiaomi side as well as in the custom ROM development, like Redmi Note 4, Redmi Note 5, 5 Pro, 6 and 6 Pro. The developments are still going on. As per my knowledge, I don't have used any high-end premium phones like iPhone 10, Samsung Galaxy S10 or Pixel 3 XL. I have less knowledge in the quality of Extreme, but I have assured that this device is really worth for this price range. Really good choice. That thing that you might hate is MIUI advertisement and all the things which they are promoting to get the advertisement better. By installing custom ROM with some backend process, we can actually reduce the ads. Even we can work this phone with zero ads. That will really improve the performance of this phone way more better. So my suggestion, invest in good hardwares. I'm not telling go run buy the phone. If you don't have money, just buy a credit card or else sell your kidney. Don't do that. This is just a phone, okay? Always keep in your mind while going to buy something, if there is a need, you should buy. If not, don't create the need, okay? Don't swap with Redmi Note 6 Pro to buy the Redmi Note 7 Pro. After that, swap with Redmi Note 7 8. The phone always keep coming, so keep with one thing and try to develop that thing. Save your money, because always there will be one expense to destroy your money. And I have to thank Vishnu Shanmugan for giving this phone for quite some time, actually quite some day. So really give big thanks for that. Also visit our Instagram page to get more updates regarding to this channel, also to see something upcoming things. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If yes, just leave a like and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. I will see you in my next good one. This is good one and next week also will be good one. So have a hope. So, Hot Mato.